Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so when you're working with vital energy, you have four element expressions that you can open the joints and push your will out, and the energy will have a radiant power expansion expression, as that's the personality you're putting into it. And then you can pull the joints and have a magnetic water contracting, nurturing, loving, withdrawing, cohesive, sticky type of quality to it. Or you can float and expand everything up and create a raising feeling quality inside of it. Or you can make the energy heavy and sink everything down to create a downward force in the energy to increase the gravity with the earth element. And as you're playing with the life force, just swing the energy towards one of these qualities. Swing the energy towards rising, sinking, contracting, and expanding. And you'll find that there'll be just a natural rhythm in increasing any of the element qualities within life force, because it's composed of all the elements. You'll have your own flavor of doing this and your own colors. So you might use the color of the sky for the rising, colors of the earth for the sinking, red and expansion for power, and the magnetic quality and feeling and picture colors of the ocean, the blue-greens, as you withdraw. If you are standing in an environment where there's a lot of clay, you can connect to the color you see in the clay and the feeling, and then sync the earth element using that local color. So using environmental colors will amplify the life force, because the life force in that space is in resonance with those colors, that feeling, that environment. So use the environmental energy when you're working with life force as much as you can. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.